Hello, good day. Today I am going to teach you how to use the up bracelet that is where on the body you should place it, how hard you should press it so that it works effectively. Dawn and number 39. To worry because I am going to solve your doubts. Well, where and how to use it. The sensor effectively to record its data accurately. Well, the sensor must be placed on the wrist approximately 1 inch above the wrist bone. Here you will see an image showing the perfect position for the map sensor that is 1 inch above the wrist bone or 5 centimeters. And now, how tight should I put the bracelet on? Good. Well, you have to keep in mind that it should be adjusted not too tight, which can affect your circulation, but enough to guarantee that the sensors make contact solid with your skin. The group is designed to work when worn on the wrist approximately 1 inch above the wrist bone with a series of pressures so that its sensors have contact with your skin at all times and can correctly collect all the information. If you have a band, for example, for the bicep, you can also use the sensor with the outside of the bicep. It is the most recommended, so nothing. This is all in the link in the description. I leave you a gift. I leave you a link to purchase the O-Cup bracelet with a completely free month. This is see you later. Thank you very much.